to my channel.
Hey, Nene, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is all my toys.
Oh my God, that's a lot of stuff.
And before we start this video, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Which is your favorite? Okay, so let's look for
this is a whole lot of stuff, Mom. What did you get?
I don't know.
What in the world?
Let's look for something that we can
open.
Okay. Right here.
Ooh, what is that? You opening the dolls first?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That is great. Are those LOL dolls or what are those?
No, these are Barbie dolls.
Barbie dolls. Ooh, that's a nice. Is that a sports dress?
It's like a skirt with some
59.
Yeah, with the 50
and a hoodie.
No, yeah.
Okay, that seems
okay,
that was cool.
So first I want to open.
What is that? Which one is that? That is Barbie Made to Love, and this is the ultimate.
Made to move.
The ultimate posable Barbie.
Yeah.
So she can pose. She can do a lot of different poses. Ooh, that was easy.
Yeah. Very easy.
Ooh.
Okay, so all we need to do is take our hand out. Wait, I have to get some scissors. Wait, I think. I think I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's so
Sure, it's bendable. Her arms are bendable. Everything, even her wrist.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That's so cool.
Man.
This off her hands. Okay.
I think you're right, Mommy. I think we may need some scissors for this one. Okay. Okay, yep. I think that's it.
Her hair.
Uh-oh, her hair stopped. Oh, there you go.
Oh, her legs!
I'm pretty sure her legs are bendable as well.
Yeah, they are.
Get off. Pull it. Pull. Oh, there you go.
It'll probably hurt her, but it's okay. Because it's just a doll. Okay, there. She doesn't have any shoes, but that's okay. Because I have a bunch of shoes.
Yep.
She can...
Oh, even her upper body bends. Oh, wow. Let me see. Turn her around. Let me see her face. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. Hey, hello. Hi. Hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
It was very hot in that box.
I know. I'm glad you released me from that box. She's cute, Mommy.
So bendable. I've never had one of these dogs before.
Even her ankle is bendable. Look at that.
Even her legs.
She can do a split.
Not all the way though. Because of her pants.
Yep. That is so cool.
So cool. I like it. Okay, next.
What's the other one?
This one.
Ooh, who is that?
It's a little girl. She has a lot of hair.
I see. It's protruding out of the box. She's like, get me out of here. Get me out. That was fairly easy.
Yeah. Oh, I love her shoes. Her shoes are so cute.
Yep.
Mommy.
Hey, Mommy. Merry Christmas, Mommy. Let me see her face. Oh, okay. Cool.
She has a lot of hair, so some of her hair might be in the way. But she's still beautiful.
Yep, she is.
Just like her mommy.
Yep. That is nice, Nene. Ooh, look at this. The Barbie Dream House Adventure. That is so cool. Can't wait to open that one. Oh, that's her. She can hold her baby.
Just can't get it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, there you go.
I love you so much.
This bendable Barbie is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yep, she's holding her.
Okay, next. She's just going to go to sleep right here.
Mm-hmm.
This. She's going to go to sleep like this. Okay, now.
Ooh, which one is this? Rainbow. What is that? What is it called? The rainbow sparkle hair. Oh my God, Nidhi, she is beautiful.
So beautiful.
Her hair is amazing.
It's so colorful.
Jeez, and look at all the accessories. What does she have with her? Comb. She has bow rats. And a brush.
Oh, her hair is so.
Yes.
You know.
That is
so pretty.
It is pretty.
Oh, it's kind of getting messed up. It's okay though.
Mm-hmm.
Don't. Sorry if our dog in the background is so noisy.
Yeah, he's eating a bone.
He's eating a bone that my dad got him for Christmas.
A huge bone.
A huge one. He got it from him yesterday.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait. We don't want to rip the shoes off. Okay. She is all free now.
Chew.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, okay. They fit?
Yep.
Perfect.
Wait.
Perfect.
Oh my God, her
Jesus,
earrings.
No, look at. Let me see her
She
earrings.
has these huge hoop earrings.
Those are huge.
They're so big.
That is. Look at her. Look at
She
her.
looks like a rock star.
She does.
We have to get the supplies out. Her hair is kind of messy, so I'm just gonna push it like this.
Oh, Nini. So smooth. I like her texture. The hair texture.
Yeah.
It's nice and soft.
Oh, how do you get this off?
Yeah. Uh-oh. That's hard. Wait. Oh, just slide it out. Let's get it out of the tooth. Yes. So just pull it out. And just pull it out like that. Yep. There you go. And now you could come right here. So cool.
It's not really. Oh, it's supposed. Do you know why there's glitter at the bottom?
Why?
Because like when you squeeze it.
It's glitter is supposed to go in her hair.
It doesn't go. It's not going
Okay, so that's how it works.
Where's the glitter even? Oh, I see it. It's coming from right there.
Oh, okay. Cool, mommy.
So pretty.
Yes, she is.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Look at her skirt. Nice and shiny. It's beautiful.
So shiny. We're not done just yet.
What does she have? She has bow rats. You're going to leave the bow rats inside there?
Yeah, I have to because I can't get them out.
Which one is this? Oh, these are her clothes?
Yeah. These are her clothes because, like, she just came from gymnastics.
Oh.
So she has to be changed. But we're not going to change her on video. So much to get some clothes out of the box.
Finally got them out.
Oh, these are her sunshades.
Ooh wee! She is ready for the beach. That is so nice. That's a beautiful doll, mommy.
Hello.
Hi. I'm going to exercise, and you look like you're going to the beach.
No, I'm not going to the beach.
Oh my
I'm
God.
a rock star.
Oh, you are. I like your outfit.
Thank you.
Oh, jeez. And look at your glasses. That's amazing.
Thank you. And my hair is very beautiful.
It is. I love your colors.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, you have yellow. Your hair is yellow, and my top is yellow.
Oh, no, it's like green.
Okay. Well, it's nice meeting you. I'm on my way to the gym,
Nice
and
meeting you
hopefully
too.
I'll see you later.
Hopefully, I'll see you later.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye. What? They're friends. They're not.
They are?
Yeah, they're friends.
Wow,
Bye.
yeah. Friends love each other, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
You too.
Oh, why you threw away? She fell. Take the Borax out, Nini.
Where'd the little girl go?
Oh, those are not Borax. Oh, there they are.
What is this?
What's what?
Brush your hair?
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Wow.
See you next time.
That's it for this group?
Yes.
Okay. See you next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Say bye, Nini.
Bye.